The Parrot Show. Quick Laughs, Part 2. Jealous Parrot. Even pets can get jealous. Owner cuddles cat. Parrot screams, "No!" and flies onto owner's shoulder. Some love can't be shared. Dance partner. Who's the real star of the party? Music plays, owner dances. Parrot starts head bobbing and wing flapping in rhythm. Crowd cheers the parrot. Okay, you win. Parrot learns a secret. Never whisper near a parrot. Friend whispers secret. Later, parrot loudly repeats it in front of everyone. Betrayed by a bird.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for updates.